Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In the last video I worked with the Laravel Sanctum and Insomnia to show you how easy it is to work with the Sanctum session authentication, and I had a message. So here we have cookies. Right now we don't have, but if I make a GET request to sanctum/csrf-cookies, you can see now we get the cookies and everything works correctly. We can go and register or log in or log out. You can go and log in. I have a user with that, so let's go and log in. Okay, now we have 204. We can go to get the user, and we get the user, and this get user is protected by the auth sanctum middleware. Okay, but the message said we are logged in, so we are logged in. But if I go here and click again to make a post request to /API/login, yeah, as you can see, we can make a post request. And let me just come here, and I'm going to copy this, paste down there, and create one more for all the users, and return the user O. Just to show you, yeah, we need to import the user from the models. Okay, let's save. Let's come here and let's duplicate this, get users, say create, and now if I make a get request to /API/users, route API users could not be found. Yeah, we have here users. Make a get request again. Let me just come here and stop this artisan optimized. Okay, and then artisan serve. Let's try again. If I make a get request, yeah, now we have all the users. So we have 1, 2, 3 users. We are logged in. If I go and make a post request to create a new user, and let me just see what emails we have. We have Tony1, Tony, and Tony3. Let's create one more with Tony2. Let's change here the email, and maybe let's zoom it a little bit for you. Let's say Tony2 email. We are logged in, but we can also create a new user. So if I come here now and get users, now we have also the Tony2. And how we can protect that? One thing we can do is to open the API and add a middleware here. So we can change a middleware here and say Guest Sanctum. Okay, and let's do the same thing also for the login. With the save, open. Let's open also the host and stop. Stop and start the artisan serve. Now let's try. Let's go and delete the cookies first. I'm going to delete the cookies. Make a get request to cookies, so we have fresh cookies. We can go and log in. Okay, got the test if we get the user. Got. Now if I go to login and make a get request again, yeah, now we cannot login, hit the login successfully, and also we cannot register a new user. So if I say Tony4, make a send request, and yeah, we have that because we are not logged in. So if I come here, yeah, we are unauthenticated. So let me just one more time come here and log in, and then if I go to register, because right now we are logged in, but when we go here, yeah, we redirect back, and now when we redirect, we are log out. So if I come here, yeah, we have log out. So this works, but this redirect us the home. And also let me just show you. Yeah, we have redirect if authenticated, and let me just see. So if outward redirect, this redirect to the request, and yeah, we have for each dashboard or home as a URI for default redirect URI. Good. We can leave it like this, or we can create a custom middleware and pass it here. But let me show you how we can work also with this one. I'm going to open the app Bootstrap here, and I'm going to say on the with middleware here, I'm going to say $middleware, and I'm going to say redirect, not GUES, but redirect users. Redirect users to slash dashboard. So we can say slash login. If I leave it like this and just save, let me just open Ghosty, stop this and run the optimize, and then run back the serve. Let's try it. Now let's go delete the cookies, come here, get a new cookies, go and log in. Okay, we are logged in. Now if I make a post request again to API/login, now we have the route login could not be found. Okay, let's say redirect users to login, but the login route is not be found. If I say API, let's say API/login, or we have API user, like this. Put a save, and now let's run the optimize and back the serve. Let's go and again delete cookies, get the cookies, fresh one, go and log in. Now if I click again, now we redirect to the user, because we can see we have a user here. This works, but it's not what we need, because what if the request is not from the API? So let's remove this, and we can say add the function, add the callback, and okay, now instead of just returning directly, I'm going to check if, and here we need to also accept the request. Okay, if the request $request, I'm going to say accept JSON. I'm going to return. First, let's import this from the Illuminate HTTP. So if the request accepts JSON, I'm going to say return, and not like this, but just return to the /API/user. Let's save and let's see now. Let's come here, first stop, run the optimize, and also back the serve, and then come here, go to cookies. Let's delete the cookies, grab new cookies, go and log in. And now if I click again here, we redirect the home page. If I get the users, we are not logged out, but we return to the /API/users user. So this is how you can hook into this middleware redirect user store, or you can create your own middleware. And let's do that. Let's remove this. Let's save, and let's open the Ghosty terminal. I'm going to open a new terminal here and say artisan make middleware. And I'm going to name it ensure guest API. Okay, and now we have that. Let's open the ensure guest API, and let's check here. If request user response return response to JSON, you are logged in. Very good. Otherwise, just return next request. With a save, let's close, and now let's come here and let's create an alias for that. So $sign middleware alias. So let's add not authenticated, or let's remove this, and I'm going to say guest dash API, the name for the ensure guest API class. Okay, let's save this. We have here, and also let's remove the request we don't need. Let's close. Now instead of this one, we can say just guest API, guest.api, like this. And with a save, let's come here and stop and run the optimize. Okay, let's see now on the browser. Let's go to cookies, delete for the last time, I think. Go and grab new cookies, go to login. Okay, if I click send again, now you are logged in. The message we have in the guest API. So ensure guest API, we have you are logged in 401. Okay friends, so that's it all about this video. What I wanted to show you, how we can make how we can protect the register and login routes when we work with API and Sanctum. Now that's it all about this video. If you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you in the next one. All the best.